Learn a lesson from this. I've been using this for a while, but I haven't been able to tell them. We have a really exciting meeting today. We have our very first... Good morning, guys. Welcome back to my channel. I'm so excited to be back today. Oh, who else is excited? You're excited. So excited. It has been so long since I've picked up my vlog camera and made a video for YouTube. It feels really weird to have taken so much time off. I guess I just really needed a break. I've been focusing so much on making kind of like TikTok style content that I got very wrapped up in that, and I was enjoying it, making a lot of Instagram reels. So that has been taking up a ton of my time, but I'm back. Today we're filming, we're vlogging my day, probably showing you everything I eat today as like an update. So yeah, that's the plan. Thanks for waiting for me, guys. I'm here, I'm back, I'm ready for a productive Wednesday. Right, Lou? Okay. So we did just get back from a hike. Today was an off day from the gym for me, thank goodness, because I am so sore and tired. My body's like, please give me a break. We did a great hike today. Lulu came with us and now we are back home. I am going to quickly prep some chia pudding for the day. I've been eating chia pudding a lot. It has tons of omega-3s, so it's a healthy fat and it's really delicious. I add a scoop of protein in there, so it's a really good protein-filled snack. And I've been getting a ton of questions about how I make it, so let's go inside and I'll show you how to make it. Okay guys, I have laid out everything you need. I've been making this literally every day and bringing it to the office as like a snack, so let's do it. I'm gonna try and prop you guys up here. Perfect. All right, so first step is to take our chia seeds and we're going to measure out 2 tablespoons. So 1, 2. The next step is to measure out a ½ cup of almond milk, and then I add a scoop of protein because I want some extra protein in here. This is the perfect breakfast. You could also leave this in the fridge overnight and bring it to work. So I'm gonna show you how I mix the protein and the milk together before I add it here. Here's our ½ cup. We're gonna measure out ½ cup of milk. You could use any milk of your choice. And then we're gonna take a scoop of the Bloom Whey Isolate Vanilla Protein. You could use any of our flavors. The other one I recommend is banana cream. That tastes really good in a chia pudding. We're gonna add it in here. Amazing. And now I'm gonna take the Bloom Electric Mixer. You could also just like shake it up, but I just wanna get it like super duper mixed into the milk, because otherwise it'll be like clumpy and weird inside the chia pudding. So now we have that like protein milk mixture. I'm gonna add a little dash of vanilla extract. Mix that in there. Now we're gonna throw that in our Tupperware. I found that these like flat square Tupperwares are the best for this. So then you wanna mix the chia. Sorry, Greg's making potatoes behind me. It's very noisy. Then you
make some potatoes, please.
Then you wanna mix your chia seeds. And you wanna make sure it's like evenly dispersed throughout. Otherwise they'll all settle at the bottom. That's looking pretty good. And then, I don't know why I took these out, but these are gonna be our toppings. So I'm gonna top with almond butter and blueberries. So for now, we're actually just gonna cover this guy up and put it in the fridge for, I would say, a minimum of an hour. So this should be ready in an hour or 2. Perfect timing for my snack. So let's add this to the fridge. So we're just gonna pop this in here and we'll get back to that in a little bit. Okay guys, now we're gonna head upstairs and get ready for the day. I'm also filming a reel today for Instagram, so I gotta get a little situated. And that is the plan. I think you guys already know my makeup routine. I don't need to show you again. The closet's looking pretty good. Fee definitely helps me keep it in line. Oh, and Fee also helped me organize my bathroom, which has been way better. We're getting there. We're getting there. Okay guys, the makeup is on. She is ready for the day. Now I need to really quick throw a jacket on because I'm driving Greg to the gym. Why am I spinning? I'm driving Greg to the gym I'm driving Greg to the gym real quick. I'm gonna grab a matcha and then we're gonna get home for our first meeting. Okay. Also, how weird is it to leave the house now and not really need a mask? Like, you do need a mask for some places, but if you are vaccinated, you really don't need to bring a mask many places anymore. So pretty cool. You look like me. This is like the combo that I wear to the gym. Like, I have a bright blue sports bra and black leggings. So you're basically copying me.
Well, you're not going today, so I gotta rep the spot.
What were you gonna say?
Don't show these. What happened to you? don't show these products. Oh wait, when will this release?
I don't know. First stop of the day is Llewellyn for my matcha. Okay guys, back from Llewellyn and dropping Greg off at the gym. Greg is gonna work out and then run home because we live close to the gym. And then on the way home, I grabbed a matcha. This is just a matcha with no milk. I really like to get it this way. It's very like matcha-y, and I just feel like I don't need the milk all the time. So if you want to order it this way, you could just call it a matcha Americano. That's how they have it on the menu. Or you could just ask for matcha with water, no milk. And I love getting it iced this time of year. I'm back on my matcha game and trying to avoid coffee again. It just gives me such bad anxiety, guys, and like energy crashes, and I don't do very well with caffeine. I have to be careful. Hence why we created Bloom Nutrition, for a little more natural, chill pre-workout. Am I on a huge slant right now? Okay, anyway, I am gonna go finish getting ready. I wasn't done yet. Gotta change my outfit really quick because we're filming a little something for Instagram Reels. And yeah, I'll check in with you guys soon. Team call is at 9:30. It's probably like 8:30 right now. Bye. Okay, I feel like I've changed outfits 5 times already today, but I finally have the outfit on for the day. It's definitely not something I would wear to the office, but I'm at home today, so it's okay. My entire outfit is actually from Kith. So, can you guys read that? Kith, I don't know how to describe it. It's like a hype beast sneaker store that also sells clothes. And me and Greg would go all the time when we lived in New York City. So I got this Kith Calvin Klein collab sports bra that's so cute and it has matching underwear. And then I got these Calvin Klein like little bike shorts. And this Kith jacket is actually Greg's, but I borrow it all the time. And then the shoes are Adidas. My entire team makes fun of me for how I say Adidas. I guess in America, you guys say Adidas, but I'm pretty sure it's a German brand and I'm pretty sure they say Adidas, so I think I'm right. Anyway, this necklace is from Revolve. The earrings are from Malibu Sunday. If you wanted to shop Malibu Sunday jewelry, they have a code, Mari20, if you want to get 20% off. It's like really cute, affordable jewelry. And they send me pieces all the time and I really appreciate them. And that's the fit. Right now, I'm actually gonna pull out my gratitude journal. I don't know if you guys remember from previous vlogs, but I used to fill out this gratitude journal every day and I kind of fell off doing it. My headspace has just been a little bit negative lately and I really don't want that for me. So I'm gonna find that journal and we're gonna fill it out because I really could use a little positivity. Okay guys, so I've just filled out my journal. I'm not gonna read the whole thing because it's private, but this is the 5-minute journal and you guys know I've used it before and I definitely fell off the routine and I wish I hadn't because I think it's a really nice reminder every day. So the first thing you do is write down 3 things you're grateful for. I wrote hikes in LA, matcha in the morning, and then looking at the clouds with Greg and Lulu. So those are 3 things that have made me happy in the past 24 hours. It could be like really tiny things. It doesn't matter what size they are. And then you write 3 things that would make today great. So that's a really nice way of like starting your day with the intention of having a great day. So like staying positive, making content, like whatever it may be. And then daily affirmations. So I am confident and capable. I am in control of my thoughts and emotions. You could really write whatever you want there. I choose what I like in my day. I choose what I do in my day, whatever works for you. So, and then I'm gonna come back tonight and fill out 3 amazing things that happened today and what could have made today even better. So I'm gonna leave this out so I don't forget, and that's that. Now I'm gonna get ready for the team call and have some breakfast soon. Hopping on the team call.
Let's do it. Any runners on this call? Lindsay, I am so happy with these Hokas.
You're giving them a big plug right now.
Your boy's pushing 220. These normal running shoes are not made for 220, all right? You guys know those super hot ghost pepper almonds? No one knows what I'm talking about. Okay, we got them for the office and we tried them yesterday. They were so not hot. Sarah cried. They're so not hot. I may leave an Amazon review.
Oh.
Karen over here.
Yeah. All right, y'all.
Bye.
Bye, guys. Bye. Bye.
Okay guys, meeting is done and Greg is now making me breakfast.
Ooh.
How lucky am I?
We got some scram, we got some berries, we got some pecan.
I thought you just said pecans. I was like, what?
Why are pecans are low-key coming up though for us?
How do you pronounce that?
Pecan.
Yeah, pecan.
Yeah, I just
Pecan.
got greens.
We have such an array of items over here. Fee would not be happy with this. Mmm. First meal of the day. I don't want my carrots.
No, you need your carrots, bro.
The comment section wants to know why you make me eat carrots.
Go for your hormones. Go for your hormones. Go for your eyes.
Oh, I have those. Ugh, it ruins the aesthetics of my plate. Here's breakfast. How many eggs is this, babe?
Just 2.
2 whole eggs, 3 pieces of bacon, some blueberries, and my bloom greens, of course, every day for bloating. You guys already know. Hot girl summer shiz. Where are you going?
On a walk. I'm still doing 6 weeks sleigh. I'm on like 12 weeks sleigh over here.
So is Lulu. She's really...
Yeah, Lulu's about to go to walk. Hey, Lulu. Never mind. I'm just kidding. Belly rub.
Belly red! Ugh, our child.
Lady, what are we doing?
Getting content for our new product, which involves nails. So I'm using this manicure.
And you do have the best nails, low-key.
Well, I've been using this for a while, but I haven't been able to tell them.
It's the same thing as our capsule. So it's potential other people watching this have kind of been using it. Just they haven't been chilling it, you know what I'm saying?
Yeah.
So are you sending this stuff to NAR right now?
Yeah, I'm sending this to our creative team right now, just to see what they think.
Wednesday is Creative Day. That's a nice fit. Can I fit check you real quick?
I already showed them.
Oh, they did? Nice fit, dog. So status of our garden / farm. I gave it a little water this morning. It's all right. Our creative director, Lulu.
Okay fam, I just finished making some balloon content. Now we're hopping on our bike and headed to Erewhon again. I've already been once today. This is a classic scenario for me, but we're gonna get some ingredients. Oh, I might get some sushi for lunch. Guys, my chia pudding didn't solidify yet and I'm really irritated about it. I had to mix the seeds even more. And I was the one lecturing you guys that you need to mix your seeds really good. Learn a lesson from this. Mix your seeds extra good. Helmy?
Now sissy that wow.
Okay guys, we're back from Erewhon. I already started eating because I'm so hungry. But I got this cauliflower rice sushi with salmon and tuna. She got a little squish because we dropped the sushi off of the bike into the middle of the road.
It's okay though, things happen.
Greg dropped it.
Improvise.
And the eggs also smashed, but it's okay. So I'm gonna eat this sushi and do a bit more work. Hopefully when I'm ready for my next snack, the chia pudding will finally be done. Let's see. Okay guys, I think our chia pudding is done. So let's add our toppings. First, I'm gonna add a little almond butter right in the middle. Almond butter has way more of a sweet taste to me. And then some blueberries, delish. Let's check this consistency. A little gloopier than usual, but it looks pretty good. That's good. That's probably my best one yet. Okay guys, I just came upstairs for a sec because we have a really exciting meeting today. It's at 5:30, which is like 40 minutes away. We have our very first wedding planning meeting. She's coming to the house. I finally hired a wedding planner here in LA. I've had one before when I started planning our wedding after we got engaged in January of 2020. Obviously that didn't work out. You know, I was already looking at venues and when COVID hit and then, you know, everything was getting canceled, and so I decided to stop the planning process. Recently, I decided I was going to try and do the wedding planning on my own. That didn't work out. It turns out that I'm way too busy for that. So nothing happened with that process. So I ended up hiring someone. She seems absolutely amazing. This is my first time meeting her. She's going to handle the wedding from beginning to end, day of, everything. Today we're talking about, you know, the beginning steps, like where we want to have it. I've never really been a huge like wedding gal. Like I've never like had a certain vision in mind of what I want. So we're kind of chatting it out with her, seeing what Greg wants, what I want, getting to know her, she's getting to know us, so it's very, very exciting. I have notes ready. So yeah, just want to let you guys know and fill you in on what's happening. I obviously have a wedding dress already on the way, just no wedding, so we gotta make that happen. Okay, talk to you guys soon. Guys, we just finished the meeting with our wedding planner. Greg, what did you think?
Dude, she's the real deal.
You liked it?
Yeah, it's a super potentially stressful, planning event.
And she's handling all of it.
Yeah.
It was actually so nice just to have this person like handling everything, like checking out every venue and the transportation, and just it was so nice to have it taken off of my hands, because I kind of felt like I was like really putting it off because I was so intimidated by the whole thing. Greg got really into the meeting. He said that he didn't have much input, but then he ended up having a lot of input. Let's just say he has requested a sushi chef at our wedding. Very exciting. But anyway, a lot of the stuff we talked about has me so excited, and it's such a special, fun event. So, okay, my card is full, so I'm now filming on my iPhone, but I think it's gonna be a very like us event. Greg and I are a pretty unique couple. We're not very traditional, so I'm really happy with how, I felt very comfortable telling her everything that we wanted, and I think it's gonna be great. She was able to understand our quirks and respect them, so I'm excited. Greg's smiling too. Okay, I'm gonna go get my makeup off, get comfy. We're gonna have some dinner. This just made my day. Okay guys, I'm in my comfies and ready for dinner. Greg made a really delicious looking dinner. Take a look. How do I flip this camera around? I don't know. So this is some of that mushroom pasta in fettuccine form with bison chili, some cut up like chicken sausage, and some cheese, right?
Yeah, with Rao's tomato sauce. If you don't like Rao's on yours, because I'm starting on a diet as well, because like Rao's is a little higher calorie, I just use crushed tomatoes, and then I add like rosemary, salt, pepper, and I kind of make my own little sauce. But like Rao's is obviously go.
Nice. Okay guys, it is the next day. I'm at the office getting all this footage together, and I did forget to film an outro, so I wanted to say thank you so much for watching. I hope you loved it. I'm happy to be back on the YouTube channel. Give the video a thumbs up if you liked it. Don't forget to subscribe, and I'll see you in the next one. Love you.